everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I have a little something different. We're gonna make a fresh potato and green bean salad. We're going to dress it with the white wine vinaigrette that we made in a previous video. We're gonna add a couple of ingredients to it, but this is super fast and easy, and it's so delicious. I can't wait to show you how it all comes together. Today we're gonna make a really different but very simple fresh vegetable salad. This is gonna be a chilled salad. I'm going to be using this particular salad on a platter later for another video, but this is definitely delicious served all by itself, and it's just a little bit different. It's very kind of Mediterranean, French, but we're gonna be doing green bean and potato salad. And we're gonna be using the white wine vinaigrette that we made in a previous video, and we're just gonna mix it all up. Now I wanna preface this by saying I cooked my vegetables in my pressure cooker. I didn't do that on camera because I feel like if you all are fans of the Instant Pot or your electric pressure cooker, you know your machine better than I do, and my machine may be different from yours, but I will give you the tips of how I did this. So I have about 1.5 pounds of baby red skin potatoes. I put these in the pressure cooker on the vegetable setting, and on my particular machine I'm able to choose different levels of pressure, low, medium, and high. I put mine in on the medium setting, which is 4 minutes, and then I just let the machine do what it was going to do. I did a quick release as soon as the timer went off, and then I pulled them out. I did not put them in an ice bath, but I did cut them in half at that point, but I put them in the machine whole. The green beans I did on the vegetable setting on the low pressure selection, which is 2 minutes cooking time, and then I quick released immediately when the timer went off, and then I plunged these into an ice water bath, and then I let them cool off, and then here we are. I also have approximately a cup of sliced sweet onion. You can sub in red onion if you like. I personally not a big fan of the red onion. You can use green onion here. You can leave the onion out if you want to. That's up to you. Like I said, we're going to dress this with our white wine vinaigrette that we made in our previous video, and we're going to top everything off with a good sprinkle of salt because you don't want to leave the salt out here. You also have the option of giving a good squeeze, like a half of a lemon's worth of juice, and that will really amp up the acidic level and give it brightness, and it's going to be perfect here. So we're going to go ahead and make this salad, which is super simple and delicious, and here we go. Okay, so all we're going to do is we're going to pop all of our vegetables in here. In go our green beans and our potatoes. There was a little bit of water on the potatoes. If you want to put those on some paper towel and dry them off, that's fine, but I'm not going to worry about it too much. In with our onion, and now we're going to dress this. Now the potatoes here are still warm. This vinaigrette smells amazing. I'm going to use maybe a little over 1/2 cup here, and then I'm just going to start tossing. If you prefer to use to cut up your green beans a little bit more, then go right ahead and do that. It'll make it a little easier for people to eat them, but I think they look so pretty this way. And I have about 1 pound of green beans, if I didn't mention that. I bought a bag of fresh green beans from the grocery store, and then that's really all you have to do here. And then I said we're going to do a nice sprinkling of salt. You can use whatever salt you like. I've got some kosher salt here, and give it another mild, gentle toss. I probably put a little too much vinaigrette in the bottom, but I'm not going to worry about that either. If you're going to chill this salad, some of that dressing is going to be taken up by the potatoes, and it's going to be absolutely delicious and flavorful. And now I'm going to give this a taste and decide if I want to give it that squeeze of lemon. So I don't think it needs the extra lemon juice, so we're going to let it go here. I'm going to go ahead and plate this up, and I'll be right back and show you what it looks like. There we have it. Our green bean and potato salad is ready to enjoy. You can eat this warm, you can eat this cold, you can put it in the refrigerator and let it do its thing and marry all those flavors. You can eat it right now, and it's going to be super flavorful and delicious, and I think it tastes wonderful. When we tasted it for flavor and seasoning, it was just perfectly balanced. The white wine vinaigrette is an excellent addition to this salad, but don't feel like you need to use that. You can use your favorite sweet onion dressing or your favorite Olive Garden dressing or your favorite Italian dressing, anything that you want to use here that's like an oil and vinegar based dressing is going to work here. And it's going to be delicious because you made it. I hope you give this green bean and potato salad a try sometime soon for a little something different. And I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see you.